If you want to start your career in automation, find the best training institutes in Chennai to learn automation technologies. This video helps you to find the best training institutes in Chennai. Iologix Automation Solutions is an ISO 9001:2015 certified company that provides various courses on industrial automation, such as PLC, SCADA, HMI, VFD, DCS, electrical design, pneumatics, hydraulics, motion controls, and LabVIEW. Effective, high-quality training is absolutely essential for a successful operation. Why Iologix Automation Solutions? 100% hands-on training, individual focus, advanced software-hardware facilities, 100% placement assistance, customized accommodation, state-of-the-art industrial automation embedded lab facilities, flexible timing. India's first advanced technical campus with robots, CNC machine, industrial PLC panel, tech computer lab, and having technical campus having technical collaboration with FANUC. Total lab setup is focused for engineers and industries updating requirements. The tech campus is completely accelerating under the guidance of industrial experts having 27+ years experience and young aspirants. Puma Technovation is the first tech campus to have all facilities and labs in India to offer training courses and job assurance all under one roof. Puma Technovation Private Limited aims in serving the industries with turnkey solutions and skilled manpower deployment and taking ownership of the production line, reducing the burden to management. It is led by 20+ year experienced manufacturing experts. IPCS Ingenious Power and Control Systems Private Limited, through its research-oriented and progressive approach, offers perfect automation solutions to a vast array of industries, which include but are not confined to software, marine and construction engineering. Our expertise are in process automation, factory automation, machine automation, CNC solutions, energy management, calibration and testing, lighting and surge protection.